Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni appear in court together for first time in legal showdown. It ends with us stars are due to go to trial in May if a settlement cannot be reached. Lively says she was harassed on set. Baldoni's lawyers say her allegations are false. Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni have attended court together for the first time since their acrimonious It Ends With Us legal battle began more than a year ago. The pair co-starred in the romantic drama, which Baldoni also directed, but promoted the film separately after its release in August 2024. In December that year, Lively filed a lawsuit alleging sexual harassment and accusing the filmmaker of coordinating a smear campaign against her on Wednesday. The pair and their legal teams attended the U.S. District Court in Manhattan, New York, to see if the case could be settled without going to trial. Mandatory settlement talks are generally required as part of civil proceedings, but are not open to the public or media. Talks between the stars' lawyers went on for more than 6 hours before they were pictured leaving the federal courthouse separately. Baldoni's wife, Emily, also attended the hearing. His attorney Brian Friedman said afterwards that the talks did not result in a settlement. The stars spent the majority of the day in separate courtrooms, Sky News' U.S. partner NBC reported, citing a source familiar with the proceedings. Magistrate Judge Sarah L. Cave went back and forth between both legal teams, the source said. Will the case go to trial? Friedman told reporters outside the courtroom that the teams would return to court on Thursday for a different matter on the docket, but did not say whether Baldoni and Lively would be present. He did not rule out a possible settlement in the future, saying that there's always a chance and that he remains very hopeful about how the case will proceed. If no settlement is reached, a trial is due to begin in May. Read more. Katie Holmes pays tribute to James Van Der Beek Sky to bring streamers together in one subscription. The case has reverberated through Hollywood, revealing private texts among A-listers to including singer Taylor Swift too, and raising questions about the power, influence, and gender dynamics in the industry. It began with Lively suing Baldoni and his hired crisis communications expert, alleging harassment and a coordinated campaign to attack her reputation after she complained about his treatment of her on the movie set. Baldoni and his Wayfarer Studios production company countersued Lively and her husband, Deadpool actor Ryan Reynolds, accusing them of defamation and extortion. His case was dismissed by a judge in June last year. A lawyer representing Baldoni, the studio and its representatives described Lively's claims as completely false, outrageous, and intentionally salacious.